Looking for a way to generate passive income with stocks? Today, we're diving into the wheel strategy, a powerful income-generating trading approach that works especially well with high-volatility stocks and ETFs. The wheel strategy is a systematic approach for collecting premium through options. It involves selling cash-secured puts and, if assigned, selling covered calls. This process generates consistent income, ideal for building passive cash flow. The strategy follows three main steps. First, sell a cash-secured put collect premium upfront by agreeing to buy shares at a specific strike price. Second, get assigned. If the stock price drops below the strike price, you'll buy 100 shares per contract. Finally, sell a covered call. Now that you own shares, sell a call option to earn more premium until the stock is called away. High implied volatility or IV stocks and ETFs tend to pay higher premiums, meaning you collect more income on each option. Volatile assets such as Tesla, ARK Innovation ETF and SPDR S&P 500 ETF offer great potential. Let's say Tesla is trading at $250, and you sell a cash-secured put at the $240 strike for a $5 premium per share. That's $500 in immediate income for a single contract. If Tesla stays above $240, you keep the premium. If it drops below, you'll buy the stock and move to the next step in the wheel. Now let's say you own Tesla at $240 per share. You sell a covered call with a $250 strike price, collecting another $5 premium. If Tesla goes above $250, your shares are called away at a profit, and if not, you keep the stock and repeat the call sale. With the wheel strategy, you gain consistent income through premium collection, but it does have risks. Stocks can drop far below the strike price, and high IV stocks are more volatile, which means potential price swings. Let's take ARK Innovation ETF, RKK, as an example. Selling a $40 put at a $2 premium lets you earn $200. If assigned, you own shares and can sell calls until RKK trades above your call strike. The wheel strategy can be an effective, income-generating approach, especially with high IV stocks and ETFs. Just remember, collect premium, manage risk, and repeat the cycle. Ready to start building passive income? Try the wheel strategy today. Remember to stay informed and manage risk for the best results.